Hello guys, welcome to new video in which we will try to learn a lot today. We will trade again on Trendline Breakout. We also saw the previous two videos on Trendline Breakout strategy. This third video, this tells us that we can generate good profits on breakouts. First of all, we will apply trade because the market is in the right place. Here I am increasing the lot size as much as I have calculated according to my risk. All of you apply trade according to your risk. You do your one-day loss inside. Don't give more than that loss in a day. Do this every day. In the last we will see that you will be in profit. See you after all trade apply. Guys, I am currently running a loss of $500. This account has $3,800, which we will try to grow with psychology. Now we are running in $500 loss because market is going up for retest after breakout. Our entry is at the right time and right place so that we can manage the trade easily. This will keep our psychology strong. Here you will not be able to know the clear trend because the market is going sideways along with the uptrend. The previous trend of the market was downtrend, where the proper has come down making lower low lower high. Let me now explain to you through trend channel. First of all, we will take the trend line and place it on the lower point of the uptrend, because market is using this trend line as support, but recently we have seen breakout on this trend line where I got good opportunity. Now take the second trend line and place it at the higher point of the uptrend with the same angle. This trend line only indicates that the market may reverse from here. Here you must be getting a better understanding in which direction the market is going. The market was first running in a downtrend and then turned into an uptrend, but now the market has again started going towards the downtrend. Here we can get good profit because when the market reverses from there we can also achieve the risk to reward ratio 1:3. Here the market has given trendline breakout with high volume, due to which we have applied good trade here. High probability chance the market will go down from here. So far our analysis is going right so that we can take the trade in the right direction. Do the same. If your analysis is supporting you, you apply the trade. It will be seen what will happen next. Future is not in your hand, but present is in your hand, so always keep learning so that you can fulfill your dreams. Let us now create the support resistance point, due to which we will get better confirmation of down with strong support resistance level. From this level we can easily manage our losses, which will save us from big loss. Always analyze the market from every angle because an analysis can give us a wrong signal. Here we will use the rectangle tool, which will be placed at this place because here we are seeing maximum support resistance points. This tool is best for support resistance because it covers all the points easily. We will get multiple support point at this level because the market has been sideways here for a long time, so we had to cover multiple points. Here the market has made a double top, which gives us resistance points here. This point is little away from our level, but we can call it resistance point. After a few hours the market has broken this level and taken support here, and the market has gone up. Here also we got to see the support point from which the market has gone up taking support. The market again took resistance at the same place and we got to see the bearish engulfing candle. Here the market has formed a multiple reverse candle, which shows that there is a strong support resistance level here. The market has again broken below this level and taken resistance here and down here. It has again seen double support on after that the market went up, but the market broke this level 1 hour ago. Along with this, the trend line is also broken, which gives us double confirmation market can make a good move down from here. Let's complete our analysis. Market is following all the levels very well, from which we can generate good profit from this trade. Now our work is left only to set stop loss and target, which is very important. All you need to know before taking your stop loss and target trade. My stop loss will be inside the trend channel and will stay above the strong support resistance level, which is 24 pips above our trade. We will close the trade if the market moves back inside the trend channel, and the target will remain below 48 pips, where the chances of getting into the market are high. Market can easily move till here because the trend line has breakout. Guys, we have come from $500 to $50 loss, which is a good thing, but the market has just given a breakout, due to which we can see high volatility. Now let's put stop loss and target point. We have applied the trade properly. Let's see what will happen next. This is our high probability setup, which gives us good returns every time. If you want to see more of my setup, I've got separate playlists for all the setups which you can visit and can get good help. If you want to learn more, you have great professional traders from which you can learn a lot. Come on guys, now we meet after the stop loss or target point is hit. Till then, lots of love to you all.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call it covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goal. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning.
Nice guys, our setup worked properly so that we can see good move. We had to be very patient to achieve this target market structure. As you can see, always think of achieving big goals, small ones will happen automatically. Here we followed our rules very well, whose result is in front of us. We applied our trade here. After that the market remained sideways for a long time, that made us wait a long time. Our target was at this level from where the market went down sharply, because here we got to see the breakout of the sideways market. If I would have closed the trade as soon as the target was hit, we would not have achieved such a big target. The market here has gone sideways for a long time, that is clearly visible due to this market pattern. We had to be very patient so that we can reach the target. Here the market took multiple support and was repeatedly reversing from this level, but the market gave a very nice breakout here so that we can see better results. Let's close the trade now. I am currently running profit around $8,472, which is a great profit. You can easily generate such profit in the market, but for this proper rules have to be followed, which is hard work. That's why every trader always makes big losses. See you after closing all trades.
Gotta wanna keep chasing, but you everything you're facing. Keep up with the pace and adrenaline rush starts racing. Get through all the things you hate in. Don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. You see the ship take control of your team, and if you're alone, then a one-man army. So you better be starving.
Guys, we deposited $3,800 in this account, which was grown to $12,828. We grew this according to our risk capital. If you apply your trade after calculating your risk, then you will complete the first step of the successful trader. Here I am taking the rectangle tool, which will be applied here because the market is resting here. Here we will get multiple support resistance points, which are clearly visible. This is also a strong support resistance level of the market. From this level we can predict further future pattern so that we can get better opportunities. Here I will become a downtrend channel so that we will know the clear downtrend, for which I am using Trendline. We'll apply it here because the market is maintaining proper lower high point here. Take another trend line and connect it with the same angle on the lower low point. Combine this downtrend with the uptrend, which will create gun strategy here. Here again we can take trade with good analysis. Where we draw level, the market has reacted well there. If we look down here, the market is standing at the strong support resistance level, which will take support from here and go up for retracement and will come down with resistance. Here according to the second condition, the market breaking this level can go down from where we will get to see the continuation downtrend. Guys, we have this high probability setup which can give good opportunities. You can also generate good profit by doing such analysis. Let's meet guys in the next video. If you like the video, then like it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.